Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to enable the night light on this device. So to have much faster access to this option, we have to unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the proper toggle, the proper icon connected with the nightlight. As you can see, it is right here. We can tap on it to turn it on, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, we can tap on it again to turn it off quickly, and we can also customize this option. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then we will be transferred to the nightlight option. So let's turn it on. Here we can schedule that feature. So none option is the manual option. You have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time. So you can choose the specific start and the end time, and you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. It means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. You can also change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. It's really orange right now. So basically this is it. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.